Welcome. Today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's just open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and tap to enable in settings. Then just click here to the switcher near the green Apple keyboard. Click OK, again OK. After that, let's go back and tap here to switch input method and switch your currently keyboard. Just do the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished. Let's go somewhere, for example into the Google search, to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.